It's a beautiful Monday afternoon in Burlington. Our temperature is 70 degrees, and the soil temperature Quantico by satellite at the 3-inch depth is 45 degrees. That means it's too cold for a lot of things to put in the ground germinate properly. Even if you transplant tomatoes or anything in there, they're going to sit and look at you for a long, long while. So protect them from things that you have to put in the ground or lose them. This is the best way. You have to cover them from wind as well as frost. And here's 3 different products. This one here is the most economical. I've got a 1-gallon milk jug, cut the bottom off, take the top off, punch a hole in one of the sides, and stick it over the plant. This will hold you down to about, maybe about 29 degrees for a few hours. It'll keep quite warm, and you keep it on until they outgrow it, which would be probably after the 15th of May. Here's another expensive way of doing it, a lot of fun. Wall of water. It really works well, take you down to almost 9 degrees, period, and hold the plants for a couple days that way. Because the water, as it freezes, lets off heat. It works very well and was developed mainly for the people in the High Plains area, Salt Lake City and such like that. And of course the old reliable hot cap. And this here does a perfect job also to put over the top of the plant. Cutting a slit on the top to remember, because it gets hot there and puts soil around to keep from blowing away. You're done with it, you can crush it down. But this will keep your plants, your eggplant, your pepper, your tomatoes. If you have to get them in the ground before the 15th of next month or May, this is the only way we're going to really get it done with some type of covering, because wind is as much damage to the young plant as cold. So this is about all I have to say on such a beautiful day.